How to send money on Revolut. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to send money on Revolut. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is to just head over to the home page of our Revolut app, as you can see right here. Then from in there, you can just click on transfer right here. Now once you have clicked on transfer, just head over and you will see this right here. You can add new transfer. It can be a bank recipient, card recipient, crypto wallet, group contact. You can send it international, or you can also create a payment link. Now if you already have someone, you can just add a contact using their phone or email. That means they're also in Revolut app. You can create a group to settle expenses with friends. You can create or transfer money to a crypto wallet so it can be sent internationally. You can also use card recipient and bank recipient in here. Usually Revolut usually do this or choose this, and you can just put in the phone and email. Then from in there you can send money from them. Then just put the money that you want to send, and then after that just confirm it, and then from there they will receive your money instantly. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to send money on Revolut. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.